Look at her sit for her ball. Whoops, I dropped it. Good girl. Yes, come on, bring it here. Can I have it? Yes, good girl. Okay.
Yay,
Ooh,
Sandy!
good girl.
Hey, Sandy.
Oh.
Sandy, where's the ball?
Bring it to
Where's the ball?
Charlene.
Want to drop it? Drop it. Come here, Sandy.
Come here, give me your ball. Give me your ball. Come on. No, it's
Sandy.
my ball. It's my ball. Can you drop it? Oh, yes, maybe. Yes, I will. I'll drop my ball. Good girl.
Sandy, sit. What a good sit. Oh, and what a gentle girl you are.
Playing.
Aw.
Oh,
you're such a good
and
girl.
smart. And smart, Sandy.
Aw. Aw.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you were smart enough to do that. Sit. Sit. Down. Come on. Sit. Down.